What's going on, guys? I don't even know if I'm gonna put this on YouTube, but if I am, welcome back to another video on the Just Kidding channel. If I'm not, whatever. So I just got some seats for free from this dude named Daniel. He was getting rid of it, so I was just like, free, might as well pick it up. So I have the seats right here. I'm gonna try and see if I can clean them because they're very dirty. And the only reason why I took it is because I don't have a passenger seat for my 240 right now. I mean, well, I do, but the passenger seat will not fit a harness, and I don't have stock seat belts. So I'm gonna try and see if I can clean these. If I wind up not using it, I'll just throw them in the trash, because like I said, they're free. It didn't cost me anything, just a few miles. So just a little bit of gas to go pick them up, so whatever. Anyways, I'm trying to see if I can clean them, see what they look like. So these are the seats. That's 1, 2. This is the passenger, and then that's the driver. The passenger is what I needed. Looks a lot dirtier than the driver's, but I mean, I guess it is what it is. By the looks of it, it looks like I could just give it a deep scrub, or if I could remove this, throw it in the washing machine, do that too, or scrub it and then put it in the washing machine, whatever. Try to see if I can get that out. But yeah, and as for the brackets underneath, they do not fit for a 240, so I'd probably have to find like a cheap bracket or whatever so it could fit inside the car. Other than that, not bad. It's the same thing for this seat too. Alright, so I pretty much blew my back out. Pause. Scrubbing the shit out of these seats. Now I was just thinking, like, this might have came out of a right-hand drive car, because the passenger seat looked more worn than the driver's, what I thought was the driver's. So right seat looks different than the left, looks more used than the left. And the guy that I got the seats from, his car was right-hand drive, so they could explain that. But I'm gonna just show you the seats, because I was scrubbing the hell out of them, and yeah. Seats now. Once I go look back at the first video, I'll be able to tell the difference. I mean, off the bat, I could see like the spots from this seat aren't there anymore. And I don't even know how dirty this one was. I just started going ham with the brush. But I still have some more soapy water and stuff left. So whatever spots that I still see, like that one right there, I'm just gonna try to see if I can go over it one more time. But so far it's coming out pretty mint. This center portion for the back comes up, so I had the ability to get in between. So I was scrubbing the hell out of that too. And if you want to know what I was using, so I have this upholstery cleaner, right, from Meguiar's. I sprayed the hell out of both seats. Then in here I put some laundry detergent, you know, gang, and I put some dishwashing liquid and some hot or warm soapy water, and that's basically it. I just mixed it all around, got the brush in, started scrubbing the seat. I'm sorry I couldn't show you that. I am using my phone instead of my camera, so I'm just continue and then come back to you guys when it's finished. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna show you the video of what they came out to be after I scrubbed them again, but I wound up just putting them to dry. So yeah, anyways, what is it? So the passenger seat I'm gonna buy a bracket for. I know I mentioned that earlier. I just need to reiterate for the end of the video. Driver's seat, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because you guys already know that I have the Sparkle Evo seat inside my car. But passenger seat, I just need to buy a cheap bracket from eBay, bolt it in, call it a day. Driver's seat, I was thinking about maybe like making a rig or something, or giving it to Ryan because he said he was gonna make a rig or something. I don't know. I don't really need it, but it's free, so I might reupholster it, sell it. Never know. Anyways, this is a quick video. Thanks for watching. My car should be getting dynoed again this weekend, so I might have a video for next week. I'm sorry for not putting out videos, but I just have no content. I don't want to bullshit you guys. So, yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a good one.